Hey guys, welcome back to the Mazee Studios. My name is Jim. Thank you so much for coming back and taking some time to watch what we do in this kitchen. Today we are making what I think to be is one of the most underrated, overlooked, not as accessible street food options in Greece. It's a dish called Piernili, which is AKA Greek boat-shaped pizza. Now, when you go anywhere in Greece, you're gonna find your street food kind of go-tos, your souvlakis, your gyros, your bougatsas, your baklavas, but it's rare, at least in the latest visit that I made to Greece, to find this particular dish as common as I thought and as kind of common as I want it to be. So today we thought to make this classic Greek dish. Today we are making Piernili, aka Greek boat-shaped pizza. Let's go. You could easily make your own bread, but we decided today to go the easy route. Okay, we went to a bakery down the street and we just got dough. Keep it simple. And so we are going to make 3 boat-shaped pizzas using this dough. You want to just roll it out into boat-shaped form. Long, not round. So I hate using rolling pins, so I'm just using my hands. Rolling pins drive me nuts. You can never get it right. But the idea here is to make them long, but to also kind of extend them on the sides, because you'll see we're going to fold in the sides and the tips. And so you want them both long and slightly wide. You could put some tomato sauce on here, but I'm going to choose to use kind of chunks of butter. And that way I have that kind of creaminess on the bottom. So when it finishes cooking, it's going to be nice and creamy on the bottom as well. So like I said earlier, you can make it your own way. You can put tomato sauce on this. I'm choosing butter. When it comes to the cheese, I'm using Havarti and some marble cheddar. You can use, of course, you can use feta, you can use mozzarella, you can use whatever cheese you like. I'm going with this creamy combination. And the same with the ingredients. You can top it with whatever you want. You can top it with mushrooms like we're doing. You can top it with ham. You can go all protein. You can add grilled chicken, whatever you want to do. But we are deciding to go and keep it simple today. So we're putting in some mushroom, some onion, and some olives. And of course, spice it your way. A lot of people just put salt and pepper. I'm gonna add some oregano. And just for a little bit of a kick, I'm going to add some chili flakes. And now the magic. Brunella should really be doing these, not me. I can't roll out dough for the life of me. But for this last one, we've decided to leave a little bit of a divot in the middle to be able to put in this guy, the egg. Boat-shaped breakfast pizza, winner every time. Check this out. All these go in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Of course, ovens vary. This one though, the middle guy, we're gonna pull out 10 minutes in, crack an egg over top, put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. So the egg just cooks well enough to devour. Let's go. Okay, so the egg cracking did very novice. It did not work out the way it was supposed to work out and that I envisioned working out. This doesn't look pretty, but it still tastes good. Let's eat. Okay. Stiniyamas, Piernili, Greek boat-shaped pizza. Oh yeah. Again, if you love the people you're serving, make them this. You don't, have all three to yourself. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope you learned something today. If you love what you saw, please don't hesitate to like, subscribe, hit the little bell icon too. We make these videos for you guys to showcase how easier than you think it is to make some Greek classics. Thanks for watching.